YouTube channel Kadam Academy. Friends, from today we are going to start the DOM numericals, the numericals of the dynamics of machinery. This is the unit number 1, single degree of freedom system. We are going to start with the undamped pre-vibration. Friend, here one simple numerical is given to you. This is the motion of a point is given by x double dot is equal to minus 9x, where x double dot and x are the acceleration and the displacement of SHM. The amplitude is 0.05 meter. What we have to find out? Find out the time period and the frequency, and third one is the displacement and velocity. We have to find out after 20 seconds. Three things we have to find out here, friend. So what is given to you? To solve this one equation, first you write down the solution. Given data is what? X double dot is equal to minus 9x, and the amplitude, that is capital X, I have written here, that is the 0.05, and this is the amplitude is represented as SHM, like this SHM. Okay, so maximum amplitude is the SHM motion. Friend, in step 1, what we are going to do? The equation of SHM, the generalized equation for the SHM, we are writing the SHM equation. We can write like this: small x is equal to amplitude capital X into sine of omega small t. This is the equation represented displacement of that motion by small x. Okay, how to find out the velocity then? Rate of change of the displacement x dot, that is the dx by dt, is equal to this capital X. This differentiation of this equation, displacement equation, is x dot. X is written here as it is. Sin omega t, differentiation of sin omega t, we can write first this omega into cos omega t. So what is this? X dot is velocity. Friend, here next is the acceleration. Acceleration, we can find out the differentiation of velocity, correct? X double dot. How to find out the x double dot? Just differentiating this velocity equation. Again we are differentiating. So what will the equation then? The x will be remain as it is, that is the amplitude, and omega is again here same. The cos omega t, differentiation of what? This is multiplication. So here t, with respect to t we are differentiating, that's why this cos omega t differentiation will be becomes minus this omega t, cos omega t. The omega will be written here, that's why it is square, into sin omega t. Cos omega t means cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. And whatever this theta, suppose here it is written, suppose omega theta. So we can write here omega and sin theta. Okay. Similarly, this is the formula for this calculating the cos theta. Here we are written minus x omega square, okay, sin omega t. This is the formula for the acceleration. This is the formula for velocity. So friend, these are the step 1. We can find out this, but what is happening here? This x double dot is, we can also, by using these two terms here, this term and this term, which is equal to x, we can write here this two term as equal to this small x. Okay, and what will they then remaining becomes minus omega square. Okay, this is minus sign omega square. This is the equation number 1. What we got? Equation number 1 from this step 1. Next, what we have to do? We have to write the step 2. In step 2, what is our aim? We have to find out the time period, frequency, displacement, velocity after 20 seconds. We have this equation of SHM. Okay, here we are going to find out the step 2 to find what? To find the circular frequency. Okay, that is omega. Omega would find out. What is the given? A, acceleration is given to you. A is equal to minus 9x, or x double dot is given to you minus 9x. Comparing this equation 1 from this equation 1 from this equation 1, what we can write? This omega square is equal to A is equal to minus 9x, correct? A is equal to minus 9x means that is the x dot. This x dot is just compare. So what will happen? Minus 9x, and this is comparing these two. So what will remaining? Here x will get cut and minus get full. And this omega square is equal to 9. So omega becomes 3. So what is the value of this frequency? This is your answer, friend. This is your answer. We got one of the answer. Here frequency we have obtained. But how to find out this time period? Time period, this is the frequency, circular frequency, and we can find out the frequency. To find the frequency, this is circular frequency. Okay, to find out the frequency, f is equal to, in hertz we have to find out. So f is equal to, what is that formula? Omega upon 2 pi. So what is the omega? 3 divided by 2 pi. Then what is the value then? Just solving that equation, 0.47, this one get value in hertz. So finally this frequency we obtain here is equal to 0.478 hertz. So this is your final frequency we obtain. But similarly, time period, here the number 1 time period we have to find out, and frequency just we have obtained here frequency. Okay, now we have to find out the time period. What is the formula for time period? Already we have studied in various video. Just go through the video. All the terminology already I have studied in 12th also. That T is equal to 1 upon frequency, 1 upon 0.478. That will be your frequency. How much? 2.09. That is in second. Okay, that means T is equal to 2.09 second. So this is your answer. This is equation answer 1, answer 2, answer 1, answer 2 we obtained. Lastly, this displacement and velocity we have to find out. Value of displacement and velocity after 20 seconds. How to find out? We can find out by using the step 3. To find out this go for the step 3. In this step, what we'll do? What we have to find out? See here, the displacement and velocity after 20 seconds. We have to find out after 20 seconds. For this purpose, what will require? This we consider the equation. Displacement is equal to, what is that equation? Already we have considered the generalized equation for this SHM, and for the displacement is equal to x into sine of omega t. This is the equation for the displacement we know. Just putting the values here, we know that the displacement we have to find out x. Okay, so x we know. X is given amplitude. Amplitude is how much? 0.5 meter. This is the value is given to you. That is the value of amplitude. Amplitude is known to you. So already it is given in this data. This numerical is already given. So it is written here 0.05 into sine of omega t. What is the value of omega? We will write here. Omega is 3 into t. T is what? 20 seconds. Means after 20 seconds we have to find out. So it is written 20 into this omega is in radian per second. Here we have just find out this value in radian per second. To convert this radian into degree, so we just multiply it by 180 and divided by this division pi. So that will be converted, and just solving this sine of this 3 into 20, 60 into 180 division under root this divided by what? Pi. Okay, so what will happen then? Solving this, x will get obtain the value of x, that is the displacement. Value of displacement is 0.01524 meter. So this is your answer. Third answer. One of the answer of the displacement we obtain here. Time period we obtain. Frequency we already got it. So now we will find out the velocity. Displacement we have calculated. Now we are going to find out the velocity. That x double dot, we have this equation here, x double dot into amplitude omega cos omega t. This equation we obtain from this our equation of the displacement. After differentiating this equation I am writing here again. Here this x into omega, not here sine omega cos of omega t, here written omega. Okay. So friend, what will happen then? I will put the values. This capital X is the amplitude, already told to you. Don't get confused. Okay, it's very simple. Capital X, small x into this 0.03. This multiplied by 3. 3 is what? Value of the omega. This one. Okay, this multiplication we are written here, and into cos. यस रह गए, अरे भूल गए तो कोई बात नहीं, लिख देते हैं फिर से. दिस cos of here 3 into 20, but this is in radian. Omega is in radian per second. This we are converting theta multiplied by 180 divided by here pi. Bracket close. Just solving this, we get the value of velocity here x dot, which is equal to minus, solve it, you get answer is minus 0.1429, as this is velocity, unit is meter per second. So this is the answer. Okay, this one answer we obtain here. So friend, so ऐसा आपको न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना है. I will solve number of numericals to you. All the numericals which are, see, you can take the here screenshot to read the numerical. I am going to solve like this numerical. So enjoy this numerical, and if you are not subscribed my channel Kadam Academy, please subscribe it. Thank you.